Hi, my name is Donna, and I live on the North Shore of Kamloops. I've had solar panels since 2024. I chose to go forward with solar panels because of the government's rebates and making it easy to have a no-interest loan to help with the payment. Well, of course, the benefits are much lower hydro bills. And in fact, the first year that I had them, my bill was in the minus. It was in the negative. Now it's in the positive. But a big difference between 2023 in the summertime, my bill was in the $200 for 2 months. And now it's more like $15. So that's a big difference. Working with Riverside was really, really helpful. They helped me all the way. And so everything that had to do with applying to the government for a rebate and also applying for a no-interest loan, they really helped me a lot with that. And I've dealt with several of their employees, and they're all really fine people. Because it's been a positive thing for me, and because I think that it's, on the whole, it's good for the environment. I'll thank Riverside for all the work that they do. When I was away traveling, on my phone there is an app that tells me what the solar panels are doing. And I could see on the app that 2 of my solar panels weren't working. So I phoned Riverside and told them that I wasn't even home, but I could tell that there's 2 panels that are not working. And they went out and fixed it, and before I even got home from my trip, everything was working fine. So that was wonderful.